Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hope you're having a fabulous day wherever in the world you are. So, I got a little package that my husband purchased for me for, I guess, just because he was feeling nice. I don't know, whatever. So, these are going to be some dropper skull bottles for my oils. The oils that I use for cuticle oils and for, just general skin. But we're going to put these skulls together and then we are going to fill them up. And y'all, these look so perfect on my nail desk. I absolutely love them. I can't get enough of them. I'm just looking at them constantly. Now, these are 2-ounce bottles, and do you see that dropper? It's got the little curve thing at the end. That is so cool. I love that. It helps control where your oil is going, or whatever you are putting in these bottles. So this set of 3 2-ounce bottles was, I believe it was like $24 or $25. And yeah, it seems a little pricey, but these are excellent quality. Everything is glass. The skulls are glass. The droppers are glass. Even the little funnel that comes with them was glass. So I was actually kind of expecting that funnel to be plastic, but I was pleasantly surprised that it wasn't. So we are going to just quickly put these together. Oops, I shouldn't have done that. I should have put the dropper in before I put it in the cap, but yeah, I realized that after I'd done it. So, and then you have to kind of pull the top of it off so it goes into the correct grooves, and I didn't do that at first, so I had to go back and fix that. So I'm showing you all these gorgeous colors, and then we're gonna go, these are, I just can't get over how pretty these are. I absolutely love them for my desk. Aside from that, I have my oils in a well, they were in plastic bottles, and every single time I opened them, those plastic bottles, it would run down the side. It was leaving oil rings on my wooden desk, and it's just, I hated them. And they were, every time I go to grab a bottle, they were like greasy, and it just was driving me crazy. So I felt like I had to get them out of those plastic bottles and into something a little better and a whole lot cuter. So once we get these all put together, we're going to go ahead and fill these jars up. And here I am showing you there's a little groove on the inside of that stopper where that glass dropper is supposed to seat into, and it holds it in there really, really well. And there's also a groove on top of it, so why I'm kind of pulling it around to try to get it seated correctly. And then here's what they look like all put together, and that was simple enough to do. So now we are going to fill these up with oils. I'm doing a fractionated coconut oil, an apricot seed oil, and a rose seed oil. And you will see when I go to start putting the oil in there, especially the coconut oil. One, the coconut oil just spills everywhere. And if you notice, the coconut oil is white. It is supposed to be clear, but my house is really, really cold. And so the coconut oil just kind of takes on the white color when it's cold. Now, when it's warm, it is perfectly clear. So there's that. But you will notice as I'm putting the coconut oil in here, it is spraying everywhere. And by the time I get it done, there's like a huge puddle of coconut oil on the paper towel. So that is kind of why I am doing this. I'm sick of seeing those oil puddles all over my desk. Now, I can't remember if I show it to you or not, but on the very back of the skulls, there's a little square area to where you can put a label on them so that you know what's what. But for my personal, I don't need that because I know exactly what's in these. But if you feel like you need to label yours, you do have that availability because there is that flat spot in the back of the skull for labeling purposes. Anyway, I'm going to jump off here, let you go ahead and watch me fill these up, and I will show you what they look like when they are all full. And I hope you enjoyed this. And if you want to pick these up, they are on Amazon. They also have a 1 ounce set. I think there's 8 in that 1 ounce set. So if you're looking for a 2 ounce, these are perfect. And if you are looking for a 1 ounce, go grab up that smaller set that has more in them. But yeah, I couldn't get over how super cute these were. Had to have them. Anyway, sending love, hugs, and blessings.